the verbal seemed to be a little lengthier. I mean, this was supposed to be slightly longer. The option read the whole passages, options, etc. So yes, verbal was a tricky part here. Lengthier, let me put it across, and therefore time consuming. So there is a possibility. VA was supposed to be comparatively easier as compared to the RCs. So which means that people who are going for slot 3 can prioritize VA over RCs. That means you can plan your paper accordingly. Then the second thing was the DILR. Yes, the DI comparatively easier as compared to LR even this. That's what happens in CAT. So when in the past few years we have seen that DI is easier in one, it's normally easier in all the sections as compared to other papers. So DI was easy, so comparatively. Paper DILR overall not extremely tough, but not as easy as last year. So it was tougher than last year, definitely much tougher than last year, but not in the extreme level of what DILR normally can be tough. Solvable, I mean, there are people who have solved a couple of sets, so I think it should be fine as far as DILR is concerned. One set, two sets should be okay. That is DILR. And the last set, Quant was, again, if you pick up a few easy questions and solve, it could be okay, but if you're looking at attempting too many questions, then it could be a tricky option. So Quant was okay, manageable, solvable. So if you ask me to review the paper, DILR tougher than last year. Verbal also is tougher for the slot 2. Quant was fine. So that's what the review is. We'll come to know more when you talk to more people and find out. But as of now, I think this should be fine. I mean, go in the examination window open. If I'm going for slot 3, I will prioritize VA over RC for the verbal section. For DILR, yes, I'll start with DI and then move on to LR. Because DI is supposed to be simpler as compared to the other ones. And as far as Quant goes, yes, pick up the easy ones. Don't waste time on the tougher questions. That would be the key as far as the exam is concerned. So people going for slot 3, all the best. Go with the open mind. We don't know what difficulty level paper is. Have a strategy and follow the case. Just think that whatever happens for the best, and that's what is important in your case, right? So great, all the best, and see you.